Hey Debbie, Melissa here at West Coast Connects. We spoke to Katrina last week and I wanted to go ahead and shoot over that video as promised. So I pulled up your website here. I'm just going to go through a few tips and tricks on ways that you can increase your online presence and maybe what's holding you back from getting on that first page of Google. The first thing I would say is maybe take out this get started button. You really want it to be as easy as possible for them to contact you, have a good call to action page right when you click on your website. The next thing, it looks really nice though. It has a nice layout. You have pictures of the workers here. When it comes to Google, content is really king. So Google has what's called crawlers. They crawl and search the internet looking for the services that you offer and the areas you serve. A good rule of thumb is Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage here. So if we go and do a Google search for roofer Santa Fe, New Mexico, the first thing that comes up here is Google Ads. These are all the companies that are paying per click. And then when we scroll down a little bit further, this is what we call the map pack. So these are all the companies that have a Google business profile. This is super important to have. This can actually bring in a lot of phone calls coming in. I did see that you guys have one. So there's a few ways that you can help to rank this because you really want to try and get in one of these top 3 positions. They're easy to be found and they're going to get the most phone calls coming in. So the first thing that you can do is citations. Now, what is a citation? A citation is any directory where your business name, number, and address is listed. There's thousands of them. Things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, those are all citations. And the more you have, the better that you're going to rank on this map pack. The second thing that you can do is add 10 to 15 at least photos, and you want to save those photos as keywords. So keywords are things like roofer Santa Fe, New Mexico, roofing Santa Fe, roofing near me, things like that. Those are all keywords. The third thing that you can do is add Google reviews. So you want to have at least 25 5-star reviews. You can see here they have 196, 73, 33. So you want to add all of those 3 combined things, and that's really going to help you to rank and get to this top position on the map pack. When we scroll down a little bit further, this is what's called the organic listings. And ideally you want to be in the top 3 of these as well, specifically at least the first page. You can see this guy Goodrich, he's on the first page of the organic listing and he is in the top 3 in the map pack. So he's really getting a lot of the phone calls that are coming in because he's just super easy to be found both in the map pack and the organic listing. So let's go take a look at this guy and see why they're number 1 and see what you're up against. We use a program called Ahrefs. It analyzes a website and lets you know what's going on the back end so you can see what you need to do in order to outrank them and beat them out. These numbers are the UR and the DR rating. So these numbers are super important when it comes to Google. The UR is going to be how trustworthy your site is, and the DR is how powerful your site is. And the UR is typically raised by citations, what we talked about earlier, and the DR is typically raised by backlinks. Now you might be wondering what the heck a backlink is. A backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google kind of sees it like a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more Google's going to see your site as being powerful and authoritative, and they're going to kick it to the top of their rankings. Another thing to note is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to grab backlinks that are coming from reputable websites, nothing that's coming from super spammy websites. Always remember quality over quantity. So you can see here they have 4,000 backlinks coming from 60 referring domains, and they also have 68 keywords they're ranking. All in all, the citations, backlinks, and keywords, that's bringing 222 people that are visiting their site per month. So when we go and take a look at your website in here, your UR and DR rating is really not too bad at all. You do have 395 backlinks coming from 46 referring domains, 141 keywords, but you're only getting 24 people that are visiting your site per month. So you're missing out in that, 200, a little over 200 people that they're getting traffic to their website. And it might be some of the keywords that you have on your site. So this is going to tell us these specific keywords that are ranking on their site. So this keyword, it's getting searched 150 times per month. So roofer Santa Fe, 150 times a month. Roofing Santa Fe, New Mexico, 80 times a month. Roofer Santa Fe, New Mexico, roofing Santa Fe, New Mexico. All of these keywords are getting searched this many times per month. So at the end of the day, Debbie, I think that if you can grab some citations, some higher quality backlinks, and get that keyword count up and rank for those specific keywords we talked about, you'd be in really great shape in growing your business and getting to that #1 spot in Google, as well as the map pack. I hope this video finds you well and you can find some time to implement some of these strategies. I really think it'd make a huge, huge difference. Please feel free to leave us some feedback. Again, my name is Melissa. You can give me a call. My phone number is 321-225-2694. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. Thanks. Have a great one.